Friends is written by an author, Abby Farewell Brown, a famous American writer. She's left behind a vast collection of stories and poems. By the time she left college, she had published many of her poems and short stories in well known magazines. Many of her poems were set to music and appear in collections of songs for school use. Most of her stories were written for children, and it was in the field of children's books, perhaps, that she continues to be very popular. The poem is meant for children who are afraid of being alone anywhere. The poetess is reassuring children that they are never alone, even if they think that no one is with them, because nature around us is our dear friend. The sky, sun, and wind are always touching us and talking to us. This means no child is ever alone. Now we look at a stanza wise explanation of the poem. Stanza 1. How good to lie a little while and look up through the tree. The first two lines talk about the joy of lying flat on the grass in a garden under a big tree and looking up through the branches at the sky above it. Stanza 1. The sky is like a kind big smile bent sweetly over me. In these lines, the poem describes the sky as a kind person bending over us with a loving smile. The speaker feels that the sky is bending over him or her because he or she is lying down. Stanza 2. The sunshine flickers through the lace of leaves above my head. In these lines, the speaker in the poem is telling us about the sun's rays seen between beautiful leaves of the tree under which the speaker is lying on the grass. Stanza 2. And kisses me upon the face like mother before bed. In these lines, sunlight is compared to a mother. When sunlight falls on the face of the speaker lying on the grass, it feels like a mother's kiss, gentle, just like a mother kissing her child before bedtime. Stanza 3. The wind comes stealing over the grass to whisper pretty things. The speaker can feel the wind blowing into the garden. The breeze touches the speaker's face as if whispering some kind words to the child. Stanza 3. And though I cannot see him pass, I feel his careful wings. In these lines, the child knows that the wind cannot be seen. He or she has felt the breeze and knows that the wind is around in the garden all the time, even when one cannot see the wind. Stanza 4. So many gentle friends are near whom one can scarcely see. In these lines, the poetess is saying that even though a child may not be able to see some aspects of nature, these friends are always around in nature. Stanza 4. A child should never feel a fear wherever he may be. In the last two lines, the poetess says that with friends like the sky, sun, and wind around, no child should ever feel lonely or be scared of being alone anywhere.